Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix ChatGPT image not processing. So if your ChatGPT is not processing the image and you want to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that you just need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then you won't be able to process the image. Secondly, if your device is already connected and if you're still not getting the image, simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, which helps you to reset the network settings. And after turning it off, you just need to make sure that your image is not too large. So if your image size is from 5 to 20 MB plus, then you won't be able to process the image. So if you want to fix it, you just need to screenshot the image and upload the screenshot to the ChatGPT to fix it. And secondly, you just need to make sure that your VPN is turned off. So if you are using VPN, you just need to go to any VPN and you just need to simply turn it off. And if the image is still not processing, then you just need to go to settings on your device, and from settings you just need to search the ChatGPT app and click on the option of storage. So you'll find the option of storage and click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of clear cache. So after clearing the cache, it helps you fix the errors which are occurring on the app. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the issue of image not processing on ChatGPT. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.